With the Shocker air tongue, we can also use a lunette pintle ring as well if you so choose to use a pintle hook on the back of your pickup as opposed to a ball. Now we're going to install our lunette pintle ring on the front of our air tongue coupler. With this one, you want to use grade 8 bolts and you want to use nylock locking nuts or split lock washers. You want to tighten these to 100 foot-pounds or until there's no rattle in the nut. So now that we got everything hooked up, we're gonna hook our trailer up to our truck, make sure everything's level, and air everything up and hook our safety chains up and make sure we're good to hit the road. If you guys would like to learn more about this product, give us a call at 701-707-2666 or visit us at shockerhitch.com. Safer, smoother every mile.